Hello, welcome back to Beautiful. Today I have my LookFantastic unboxing. It is late this month. Usually it arrives around like the 15th and today is like the 22nd, I think. Let me see, I'm not sure. Yes, 22nd, so a week later. I was already thinking I would not get it, but here it is, so let's just unpack it. I love the color scheme of it, look at this. So the inside says Calon, beauty that is more than skin deep. The booklet, the leaflet, whatever you call it. And we have the UKL with narrow stone. The inside is quite flat, like I don't know if you can see, but it's like something smells really good, and I feel like something is broken. Because this is in here, and anyway, I picked the big thing out first. Oh my god, this is a Molten Brown London Body Pepper Pot body wash. You smell it. Oh my god, that smells so good. Pink pepper with ginger and patchouli. That's wow, so good. Holy shit. So this is what it looks like. And let me just read to you what it is. Bath and shower gel in ginger lily, pink pepper pot, and lang lang. Oh, okay, so there are 3 different. Okay, and I have what? Pink pepper pot. These deliciously fragrant shower gels are perfect to infuse your bathing and pampering routines with a little bit of luxury. Made in England, these scented gels are created with the finest ingredients and fragrances from citrus, floral, and aromatic to woody, spicy, and marine collections, perfect for showering, bathing, and relaxing. So I cannot wait to try it out. Oh my god. Balance me on another again. Pure Skin Face Wash, 99% natural. Do you have any idea how many face washes I have from these boxes? It's unbelievable. A radiance renewing, revitalizing formula that expertly cleanses skin without stripping moisture. This gentle face wash will purify and refresh your complexion using some divine blends of grapefruit, frankincense, I have no idea what it is, and Roman chamomile oils. 99% natural in formulation. It will have you with a bright and even skin tone. Like, honestly, can you, like, I don't even know what the fuck this says, okay? Like, this, what the fuck? They will need to work on their booklet, okay? Like, having colors like this and then having such a small writing and black, and I don't even, like, anyway, so, another face wash. I'm excited, because I only have like 5 others. This, ooh, what is this? Incredible. Glazing over, intense color lip glaze. Oh, so let me just read to you what it says. Nails ink. Oh, okay. It's from that brand. Long-lasting, intense color gloss with no fuzz and no drips. These ultra-hydrating glaze shades will better your gloss dilemmas. Perfect as a gloss or on its own or over your favorite lip color. With 5 different shades available this month, which one will you receive? Well, like I said, I have a double shot today. Let me just open it up. That is quite dark. Doesn't smell like anything, but that is dark. So, what I will do, I will take this off and then put this on, just because. In case you're wondering, this is Love Life by Colourpop. I'm not sure if I have everything off, but we deal with it. So, again, this is double shot today. That is not as intense as I thought it would be. Okay. I mean, it is a sheer gloss, yes. Okay, now I think it kind of looks okay. I don't know, like the color looks nice, yes, but I'm not really sure. We will see. What is, oh, the mascara. This is the, oh, it's a brow gel, okay. BBB London. Is that how you say it? I don't know. So we have Blink Brow Bar. There you go. Give yourself the illusion of thicker, fuller brows with this clever pot gel, pot cream brow mascara. This product will fill and color your eyebrows by attaching to brow hair, helping to fill sparse areas and creating a fabulously full and voluminous effect that will stay put all day, all night long. So I have Indian chocolate. I think that might be a bit too dark, but we will see. So zooming in again. I mean, it feels good on my lips. It doesn't feel like lip gloss, but we'll see, like I said. Okay, it looks like this. Are we feeling this or not? Try the other one. Oh wow, that was too much. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, that is way too fucking much. Thank god for baby wipes. Doesn't look too bad, but it's very hard to use. And also it really feels like you have glue on, and I'm not really feeling that. Then we have this Oh, Lashlo, I love that. Firmarine Lift Essence Lotion. Yes, I love that packaging. It's so cute. Lift Essence Lotion. Pamper dry skin after cleansing with this silky soothing toner. This gentle formula draws in moisture, eliminates dullness, and helps with tissue repair, leaving you with a super soft, hydrated complexion. I'm very, very excited to try that. Like, Lashlo has some very good products. So, and then last but not least, I have the Mio Fit Skin for Life thing that actually broke, so okay, fixed it. Boob tube. Multi-action bust cream. Moisture, brighten and protect. Treat your décolletage with this rich formula that works to envelop skin in a veil of essential moisture. It smoothes and brightens the chest, giving you a youthful and radiant skin tone. Which in COQ10, packed full of amazing natural active ingredients, which will benefit your skin and slow down any signs of aging. We love it. Oh. It actually smells really good. It smells like lemon or something. I never had a cream for my bust before, my décolletage. So on one hand I'm excited, and on the other hand I'm just like, will it work? Like, will this work? I don't know. We'll see. I will give you a review on it. That was everything that's in the box. I'm kind of impressed. Like, it's not that bad. Also, the lip gloss right now, it doesn't feel too bad. And it's just me, or did it dry down to almost like a lipstick? The brows I'm not really happy about, so I might put this into a giveaway. Like, if anyone wants it, I will put it into a giveaway because I'm not feeling this. So anyway, the leaflet. What is this theme? Feel, be, and look fantastic. The story behind Lookfantastic. So you get to know a few people that work there, who found it, and when it was founded, and all that stuff. A guide to cruelty-free beauty. I love you, Lookfantastic. I love you. I love you. Honestly. So everything, all the brands that are cruelty-free, like Illamasqua, Pixie, Urban Decay, The Balm, Way, you know that brand? Oh my god, that is amazing. Like, hell yes. Hell yes. Yes. Feel Lifted with Filorga. So, like, brand view or brand review. How to master the best brows. Maybe I should have read that before I did this, because this is a mess. Yeah, I'm not really a brow person. Like, I just fill them in and that's it. And then Mindful Beauty. Also, how to actually relax, you know, with room sprays and body body lotion that have the good scent in it, basically. The next month's box is the birthday edition, and you have the Eve Lom cleanser. Oh no, we had that before, right? I didn't like that at all, so I will put that into giveaway as well. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel already. Don't forget to click the bell button, and I also have a discount code or referral code for Lookfantastic in the info down below. So if you want to have this box, use it. And yeah, see you in the next video.